What's good, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In the last week, we discussed what price action are we going to expect on gold and other currencies, and I guess we've exactly got that, and we've made the best use out of it, right? And of course, this was one tweet which I had posted recently on July 13th about Bitcoin, and I remember there was mad rush regarding this. People were legit very bullish on Bitcoin, right? And due to just because of some fundamental changes taking place. But there you go. On the same day, what also happened was I had posted this on July 13th, 5:14 p.m. This is July 13th. And that exact day, I gave a short call from this level. And as you can see, we have dropped for a massive 17-18%. And I think the drop will still continue lower. I just need a further close below this, so we can anticipate a good discounted price somewhere around these levels, which would be 22,000 to 19,500 odd levels, right? So again, after that, I think we've also had GBP CAD, the absolute beauty. First trade here got SL. After that, the exact placement, the exact trade which I had explained got triggered, and boom, TP1, TP2, and that's it. Entire target completed within a matter of, I guess, 2 days, if I'm not wrong. It was triggered 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 days completely hit our target, and that was a very, very beautiful, very easy pick. Anyway, so we'll see what can we expect in this particular week on gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD, and of course DXY. Now, to start off with gold, we still have about 12 days to complete this candle, and I don't want a close below 1888, sorry, 1892, 1893 odd levels on a monthly time frame. Also, on a weekly time frame, what's happening is, even though I did tweet about this, I did mention on my Telegram channel that the weekly close will happen above 1885. Now, it did happen that, but there is one very severe problem in this, that we have closed below the previous, this is 26th of June's low. Now, this is indicating there is a very weakness, there is a lot of weakness in the bullish structure, and price is still not ready to continue higher. Now, in this coming week, what I am expecting is, if I go on a daily time frame quickly, what I'm expecting is we might tap into the supply zone, which is around 1910, 1920 odd levels, and then we could see some correction again, some continuation down, because closing below this was not something I wanted, and this now clearly indicates that price are very much convinced to head lower. And from here on, from this drop, I can easily target 1850, 1830, 1840 odd levels. So gold is all set to continue lower. It's not, in my opinion, it's not yet the bottom that we are looking for. Clearly, we have a lot of room below, and closing below this structure itself was showing weakness. Now, this is the only possibility that I could think of. Or if else we continue just lower, then this could be the second case, wherein we just come back, test this particular supply, and continue lower. In any case, this point, the low of Thursday, yeah, that would be important to watch how price behaves. Currently, as of Friday, we have closed as an insider bar, right? On Friday, we have traded in the Thursday's price action range. So you can expect mad momentum on Monday or Tuesday. But let's see, where do we head first? Do we head lower or higher? If we head higher, I would be very much happy because we'll get a very beautiful swing trade on the downside. So I guess, yeah, that's pretty much it on gold. Now let's talk about Euro USD. Let me delete all the drawings. Based off a weekly time frame, I did mention we'll take this liquidity out, and I guess we are pretty close to it, right? We do have some sort of imbalance and demand zone that is left untested. We are definitely coming lower, definitely going to test that. So this and gold's price action completely aligning with each other, and I just now want some continuation below, or maybe if at all even Euro USD, if we check it on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, even Euro USD could potentially try to test these previous supply zones, just try to take out liquidity from these previous highs and continue lower. So again, the pretty much the same analysis, same expectations. We are going to drop. This is also going to be a possible bullish to bearish week. The start, ideally, in my opinion, should be bullish. Now we have GBPUSD. Let me delete all the drawings. So GBPUSD weekly time frame, we have got previous week's liquidity. We have also swept the week previous to that's liquidity, and we have pushed higher. Let's see what do we have on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, structure is still bearish. There is no price action. We are still trading essentially right inside this range, right? And currently we are at some sort of 50% of this range, which is essentially the equilibrium zone. And I would personally not like to trade this. I would want price to either head higher. Here shows some sign of bearish confirmation, so I can short it to lower ends, maybe until this demand zone or this demand zone based off a daily time frame. But currently I would say Monday or Tuesday, at least first 2 days of the week, I won't be interested in GBPUSD at all. Finally, we have AUDUSD. So this structure again got broken below candle close, not healthy, shows weakness among the buyers, and clearly now we have only this last defending zone. If we don't hold prices right here, and if we don't start showing bullish reactions from here, clearly we are heading lower and onto this demand zone maybe, or just grab liquidity from this low and aggressively turn bullish. So these are like this is most likely not going to happen this week. This might take like weeks to happen, but this could be the possible outcome. But as of now, what you can expect for this week is again the same pattern, some sort of bullish reversal up to could be this supply zone, and then a continuation below. So that's your 1-2 candles, maybe 3 candles, and then drop 2 candles again, dropping back into the zone. So, and GBP CAD we have discussed. You can potentially look for long positions still, but only after a pullback. Let a valid pullback come in, let on a 4-hour prices start to make support, and then you can again target your highs, because we are trading really good on a weekly time frame. So if we start compressing at the top, we are definitely picking up higher, at least until this supply zone right here, that is 1.76 odd levels. And finally, we have DXY. As discussed in the previous videos, we are going to break the trend line, and we did that. We violated it. Now the momentum looks pretty convincing, right? The price action, it's pretty clean. We've got some sort of buy side liquidity, some sort of resistance. Buyers are activated right here. Now you could expect some pullback onto this trend line, for that matter, which also tests my demand zones, and we could continue higher onto this final supply zone right here, that is 105. and that could be the bottom on gold, could be the bottom on all other XXX USD pairs. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. Try to make it crisp, short, and yeah, feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know how do you feel, and I'll see you in the next one.